Hello everyone, and welcome to Play With Me Toys for Kids. Today we're going to play Dr. Panda's Hospital, and we've played it multiple times before, but I really like it. So let's start. So here we have a helicopter. And okay, let's see, we have our first patient. And it looks like it's a sick elephant, poor thing. Oh, and it looks like we have a second one. So we have a sheep. And let's start. Okay. I think that we're gonna put both at the same time. And let's start. Okay. What's wrong with you? Oh, he has an ear infection, so we have to fight all the bacteria. Oh, right there. Ooh, there we go. Yay! Okay. Stay healthy. Okay, now... Oh, we have to clean this, and I think it goes in the mouth of the duck. Okay, yeah. And we have a next patient, the dog. Here we go. And let's see what's wrong with him. Oh, the sheep. Okay, so she needs a vaccine. Oh, there we go. And a band-aid. There you go. Feel better. Okay, now let's see. Oh, I think he has broken ribs. Yeah, oh, poor thing. Okay, let's fix them. All of them are broken except one. What did he do? One more. There we go. Yay! Okay. Be careful next time, okay? Oh, yay, and we got a sticker. I think. Okay, there we go. Let's see who else is gonna come. Oh, here we have Mrs. Pig. And oh, we need to keep cleaning this place. And the monkey. Ooh. Okay, so let's start cleaning a little bit in the second floor. Oh, and there are smiley faces in the wall. I didn't see those before. Okay, so what's wrong with you? Oh, stomach infection. Okay, let's fight the bacteria. And let's move it. There we go. And we're fighting you. And you, if I can catch you. Come on. There we go. Oh, they are kind of escaping. I need to be faster. There we go, one more and we'll be ready. There we go. Oof, we won. Awesome, have a great day. Okay, now let's see, who else? Oh yeah, Mr. Monkey. Oh, he just needs the pressure taken. Okay. Let's bump. And that's it. Well, that's interesting. He's all healthy now. There you go. Have a great day. Well, that's interesting that just by taking the pressure, he is good now. What is this? Oh, we have Mr. Polar Bear. I really like his skirt or his outfit. And we have the dog again. I hope he doesn't have broken ribs. That would really be bad. But we can fix it. And look at that, we have more patients here. Okay, so he needs some cream for his face. Oh, perfect. Awesome. I didn't even know that those two were here. I feel so bad. Okay, now let's see what she has. Oh, looks like a fever. And a wet cloth. There we go. Some medicine. Glug, glug, glug. Ready! Woohoo! She's all set to go. Okay, we have Mr. Monkey again. And let's start with... Oh yeah, let's clean this mess. And the helicopter is off to get more patients. Okay. Oh, we're getting more and more people. Okay, let's start with them. Oh no, broken ribs again? Oh no, they swallowed something. Okay. We need to catch this. Okay, so we need to get them all and take them out. There we go. One more, just the toy car. And there we go. Awesome. Take care, Mr. Panda Bear. Okay, who else? Oh, we have a dog. Oh, poor thing, he has an eye infection. So we're just gonna fix that. And there we go, he's all happy now. Oh, we have a ton of patients. We need to get going. Okay, and we need to clean this mess. Okay, let's just put everything in the trash can. Oh no, we're just having too many people. Okay, let's get going. And you're gonna go get more? Okay, well, I really need to accelerate this process. So let's see, I wanna go down. What? More trash, of course. Oh well, gotta do what we gotta do. Wow, the fan, look at that, it works. Oh, and we can also water the plants. I didn't know that. Oh, what? Wow, we can change the beds. Isn't that awesome? I had no idea we could do this. Wow. And of course, more trash appeared. Well, that's cool. Okay, let's fill the beds. You can be right here. And if you like this video, please write it in the comments below. If you want to see me play it more, also write it below. Thank you for watching Play With Me Toys for Kids. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free and be the first one to know when new videos are posted. Share this video with your friends and see you next time!